guys, today is another beautiful day and it's so sunny. Mom's going to work as normal. Want to say good morning, Mommy?
Good morning. Don't want to go.
Mom did not want to go to work today. I need to go back to work. I'm playing with my life lately. I'm going back to work soon because I feel like I'm ready to hustle. I just want to say thank you to everyone that shopped at Island Girl Luxe. I am so excited, and I'm excited for you guys to get your pieces, and definitely send me a picture when you guys like order your necklaces or chokers or anything. And also please let me know what length chain you want. It's 17 inches or 27 inches. So if you want them a little bit longer, definitely go with 27. If you want it like a little shorter, go with the 17 inches. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Mommy thanks you too. I'm so excited. I'm excited for Island Girl Luxe. I'm very excited. So anyways, we're about to stop at the store. I'm gonna see if there's pear, and then I'm gonna look at chicken because I'm gonna try and attempt to, well, you're off tomorrow, but I'm gonna try and attempt to season some chicken because I'm trying to learn how to curry chicken. Y'all, by the end of this year, I'm gonna be a top chef. Right, Mommy? A top chef, guys. I'm gonna invite some of you guys over for dinner. Yeah? Right, Mommy? I'm catching at her place, so Mom has to say yes. No, I wanna learn. I don't know.
I know for my place of your place.
It's not my place. So why are my parents at my place?
They don't go for place.
Dad's up this side.
Oh.
Guys, I'm gonna go get my nails done. 2 of them popped off, which it's just the S&S manicure that I was telling you guys about. These are still fresh. Well, not fresh, but they look fine. But because I'm a housewife now, and I'm cooking and I'm washing and dropping the kids off to school and all of that, like,
liar,
my nails are popping off. You know what I mean? And I have to, because I'm a single mom. Why?
Liar.
I'm not lying. Why is this?
Oh, catch a fire.
No, I'm telling the truth.
Liar,
and because I'm a single mom with the kids. Can I go this way, baby?
What do you mean you cannot come out Ironwood?
Yo, in 2 years I'm getting a new car. Mark my words. You believe me?
Anybody can do anything so long as they put their mind and their soul and their heart with that.
But I'm talking about, y'all, I'm still in my nightgown. Do I give a damn? I was in my nightgown yesterday again when I went in the store. These hoes always hate me.
Ghetto girl.
I'm a ghetto gal. Mom, we're gonna get my nails done later.
Huh?
I'm gonna go get my nails done later. Ow!
In the thump me. I can't give my ass licking I don't this day.
Don't, Mom, no you can't.
Make it I'm for stump me.
And then on top of that, he told you have young breasts. I don't think that was appropriate.
I give me one bite then.
Guys, my mom's doctor told her she has young breasts. Yo, I've never heard that in my life. You have young breasts? What kind of shit is that? Yo, these doctors are crazy. Crazy. Mom, I want to go to Florida for like a little vacation. Me and Carla are gonna go.
Yeah, Carla.
We're gonna go for like a weekend. That's if Carla wants to go.
Go on, girl.
I want to have friends that want to go on vacation. Carla is that girl. When I'm like, Carla, let's go. She said when? Let me know. I love Carla. She don't care. She's like, I'm ready. Shit, I need a vacation. So guys, I just dropped my mom off. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna process some orders. Also, I have some specialty orders that you guys sent in. 2 of you guys wanted to order some items that I had last year in my old store, so I'm doing special orders for you guys, and I'm also gonna put the items on my screen so you guys can see them if you guys also want to do special orders. Then I have a paper to write for school. I have to write that paper, and I am going to go get my nails done because they look a mess. Well, my one hand looks a mess. And then I'm going to season some meat before I leave. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I have to clean my room. I filmed, and then I have 3 videos to edit for you guys. So it's a lot of stuff going on today. So I'm gonna head home and do all of that stuff.